Okay, previous video create a flange, and now we create the shaft and taper key. Okay, so go for create parametric, select the view for sketch, and the circle diameter is same 45, and extruded. Okay, extrude. Select the extrude on both sides. So I will give 240 mm because both sides. First we created it. So one side is 90, remaining portion is 30, so 120. So 120 plus 120 is 240. So I extruded up to 240 mm. Give OK. Then select the center plane. Go for sketch. And project the circle end. Give OK. This is a rectangle. The point. So this value is 14. This value is 9. And delete the projected area. Give OK. Extrude. So select the both sides. So distance is 180. Now material is removed. So change the direction. So give OK. And round. Select the edges. Select these edges. Give OK. A shaft is created. So go for file, save as. So part name is 2. Give OK. And move for third one. So the distance is 80 and whose value is 14 into 9. File, new. Select the plane. Change the orientation. Choose rectangle. 14. Enter. Give OK. Extrude. So extrude distance is 80. Give OK. So the key is created. File, save as. So file number is 3. Give OK. Next video, have to see the bolt and nut.